Well, hello, algebra students and seekers of truth. Let us continue our study of absolute value equations here. And this time we're going to go in reverse of those previous problems. We're going to be given a sentence and write an equation instead. So, write the equation for the following written statements. The distance between x and 3 is 4. So let's start with here, between x and 3. So that we could start out with saying x minus 3, right? And the second part here we have distance. So let me remind you that distance is never negative. Okay. So let's put the absolute value symbol around them. All right. And so this absolute value with the x minus 3, that's the distance between x and 3 is 4. So the absolute value of x minus 3 is equal to 4. All right, let us continue now. The distance between the distance between 5 and 3x is 9. So this is another way of saying the absolute value of 5 minus 3x. Right, so again, the distance between 5 and 3x, following the same process we had before, is equal to 9. Okay. And let's do one more here together, and then I'll ask you to do some on your own. X, okay, this time x is some number, is 6 away from 0. So we can translate this into a different version of the statement, 6 away from 0. So the distance between, right, so if you're 6 away from something, that means the distance between you and that something. So the distance between x and 0, right? So x is 6 away, meaning that the distance between x and 0 is 6. So something being 6 away from something is the same thing as having a distance of 6. So then we can write this as the absolute value of x minus 0, right? The distance between x and 0 is 6. Now, x minus 0 here, we can clean this equation, simplify just a little bit, and we can just get rid of the 0 altogether because any number minus 0 is itself. So the absolute value of x is equal to 6. All right, so there's 3 examples here of how to translate written statements into equations, and then I've prepared a few more for you, so please work on these number 4 here on your own, and then we'll work on some other stuff together in the next set of videos. As always, keep working hard, ask for clarification when you need it. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.